Oh, what's this? You alright there? Hello, how are you doing?
What are you doing?
Just flying my drone.
You don't have to fly it out there.
Uh, I,
No, don't hear me. You don't have to fly it out there.
I,
You
I,
know you need a license.
no, well,
No, show me your license.
well, it's, you don't,
Show me your license, or could go away.
well,
You don't show me your license, I'll phone the police.
well,
I'm telling you now, show me your license.
but you don't seem, sir, you don't seem to understand that
You're flying a drone.
yeah, I'm flying.
You need permission to fly here.
Well, I don't.
Don't give me that. Show me your license.
You ever had a situation like this? Member of the public comes up to you and is arguing with you about your right to fly a drone. Eddie, has this ever happened to you when you've been flying your drone?
It's not happened to me yet, but it's something I'm a bit worried about.
It is a worry. It's happening more and more often these days where you have someone coming up, they think they know the law and they are getting in your face, and who knows what else might happen. They may get violent, they might attack you. Now, I have something here which is going to help with that. It's not going to diffuse the situation at the time, but it's going to help later on. And it's these AI smart glasses that have been recording this entire encounter here, both the audio and the video. And this is something that if this escalates, you can then use later on if you want to take it to court, or if the matter does go to court. It's your evidence and your way of showing exactly what happened. You're now not relying on his word versus your word. You now have evidence to back it up. But there's more to these smart glasses than just recording. Let me tell you a bit about it. So these are smart glasses from kentfaith, and they come with this fantastic little charging case that you can put the glasses into, and they'll keep them fully charged up. Now, there's a lot more to these glasses, these smart glasses, than just being able to video record or take photos. You can, of course, take photos and take video with a built-in microphone with automatic noise cancelling, but you can also take phone calls once it's connected to your phone using the app that's a free download. You can even load up your own music to it and it will play through the speakers that are in the legs of the glasses. One of the features that I think is really interesting is that you can look at something and just say, "Hey Cyan, what is this?" and it will actually tell you what you're looking at. "Hey Cyan, what is this?"
This image shows a person's right hand holding a small, round, metallic object, most likely a coin.
Hands-free phone calls when you're connected to your phone, and these smart glasses also give you a real-time translation between 26 different languages right into your ears with live subtitles on your phone screen. Now that is just something that's fantastic for anyone that is travelling abroad. The glasses will fit any size because it comes with ear hooks and little nose pads, and you can see lots of testimonials on the kentfaith website, which I will link in the description. I'll give a direct link to the product. Now, there are many other smart glasses coming to the market right now, but look at the price of the kentfaith ones. That's about a quarter of the price of some of the more expensive branded glasses. But these kentfaith glasses do everything that they do and more. It's very easy to transfer your video or your photos from the glasses to your phone. You just go into the app, into the album, and transfer. And even better than that, if you use the code Windswept, you'll get another 20% off. The more I use these smart glasses, the more I like them. They're actually quite a good pair of shades just for that, even if you want to just wear a pair of shades. I think they look quite good. They are dark enough and polarising so that they really cut out that glare from the sun. So if you're interested in a pair of smart glasses and you're looking at some of the really expensive brands, have a look at these Kent Faith ones. I'm telling you, I can't see how the more expensive brands could be any better than these. And with a 20% discount if you use the code Windswept, what is there to lose? So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. The description has the link to these glasses on the Kent Faith website. Have a look and see what you think. Thanks for watching. Cheerio with now.